Hey, Kimmy, how you doing?
Hey, Michael, how are you?
Doing all right. I'm working on my car, and I could use a second opinion on my brake pads. Do you have a moment you could help me?
Of course.
All right. Give me a second here. Let me finish taking off my caliper. I think I'm at the spot now in my brake life where I think I need new brake pads. But I could just use a second opinion.
Not a problem.
All right. All right. Can you see them okay here?
I can.
I'm kind of thinking I do need brakes. They look kind of thin.
They are. I would say that you need new brake pads.
Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. Unfortunately, I don't have any with me. I'll have to go to the store and buy some. I'm gonna throw my caliper back on. Can you look up the torque specs for me, or the caliper bolts? I don't remember what I need to set that to.
Absolutely. Okay, I found them. Let me send you a screenshot in our chat.
Awesome, thank you. I see it pulling up now. All right. I'm gonna just move this out of the way a little bit.
No problem.
Okay, brake pads, brake pads. Where are the torque specs on it, though?
Let me highlight that for you.
Oh my gosh, I am so blind. I'm sorry about that.
No problem.
Okay, 19 foot-pounds. Okay, give me just a second here. Let me get these bolts done and get my wheel back on, just in case I need anything else. Bear with me here. All right. Got my torque wrench here. Looks like it's already set to the right amount. Sorry for all the noise. Not a lot of room to work with here. Let me try from the other side. Oh man, I should have done it from this way to begin with. 19 pounds. Perfect. I'm gonna get the bottom one finished. And of course, perfect. Okay. Let me just quickly check see if I have the torque specs for my wheels real quick, if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Wheels. Oh, yeah, of course, there it is. Well, now I know for next time to have my brake specs with me the next time I do this. Oh man, you're a lifesaver. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time today.
No problem. Good luck on your car.
Oh, thank you. I'm going to need it. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.